Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on an Epson Stylus Photo RX620. And to be honest, it couldn't be simpler. If you're not already on the setup menu shown by the spanner on the top left hand side, you just press this button here to be taken from whatever other menu you're on to this one. And you're looking for the second option down, which is ink levels. So you just press the down arrow, take you down to it, and then OK to enter. And once we're in there, we've got a breakdown of the 6 different colours used by your printer. You've got black, cyan, light magenta, and yellow, with an estimation of how much ink they've got remaining in each cartridge. And it's as simple as that. If you are watching this video because you're trying to ascertain what's causing a print quality issue or something with the machine, it is unlikely to be the cartridges themselves. These cartridges should always have sufficient ink in them to print. Even when the printer thinks they're empty, you should be able to take them out and hear ink sloshing around inside. So if you've got missing colours and you're concerned one of these cartridges might be at fault, I'd recommend checking out the nozzle test page and cleaning videos we have on our channel for this machine also. But that's about all there is to see here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, a like is always appreciated, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.